Do you know the difference between operational risk and operational loss events? Hello and welcome to the Governance Risk Management Compliance videos. I have a question for you before starting discussion about these two terms. Are you a risk management professional or governance risk management or compliance professional working in any organization or institution? Do you know the difference between operational risk and operational loss incident or operational loss event? So let's discuss and simplify these two concepts because most of the students and professionals get confused between these two terms. So I welcome you again on this channel. So first of all, let's discuss what is operational risk. Operational risk is the risk of loss resulting from failed or weak internal processes, systems, people, and external event or external losses. So internal processes are of different types, like for example, anti-money laundering process, know your customer process, customer onboarding process, finance process, financial statements preparation process, and so on. Systems, as you know, organizations and institutions deploy and implement different systems, either in-house developed systems or acquired from third-party vendors. So the failure of those systems also relates to the operational risk. People, as we know that organizations hire employees to perform different critical and normal tasks and duties. So if the people fail to perform their duties and jobs in an appropriate manner or in the desired manner, then the operational risks arises. And finally, the external events like for example earthquake or fire incident may also cause losses of operations for the institutions. But here the important thing to understand is that operational risk covers these four broader areas: internal processes failures, systems failures, people resignations or people failure, or the losses resulting from external events. So risk of loss resulting from failed internal processes, systems, people and events is the general definition of operational risk. So before moving on to discuss the example, please subscribe this channel if you have not already subscribed, and you can watch other videos as well where conceptual videos related to governance, risk management, anti-money laundering, know your customer and due diligence related videos and operational risk management videos are uploaded on this channel. So if we talk about the example of operational risk, then cyber attack is one of the operational risk because cyber attack may cause the loss of systems and a loss of data. So that's why operational risk is related to the cyber attack. Now we have to discuss about the operational loss incident. We have discussed the operational risk. Now another term is operational loss incident or operational loss event. Operational loss event is an event that has actually occurred or happened, which means the risk is already converted into actual incident or any specific incident that caused the operational losses or losses to the institution or organization. So let's discuss some examples of operational loss incidents. Number one is data breach incident occurred that caused the loss of control over system and critical data that was stored in that system. So the data breach risk is actually happened and it becomes the incident, which means a data breach incident actually occurred and resulted in the loss of system and critical data. Another example of operational loss incident is the critical employees resigned actually resigned from the job, and due to the loss of critical employees the organization faced operational losses in the form of a loss of manufacturing operations or disturbance in the manufacturing process that resulted ultimately in the loss of potential revenue that could have been generated by the sale of manufactured products if those critical employees may not have been resigned. And the estimated amount of loss by the management is $100,000. So the loss of critical employees resulted in the loss of manufacturing operations and that ultimately caused the loss of potential revenue of $100,000. Another example of operational loss incident is the third-party system that was acquired and installed by the organization got corrupted due to any technical error, and the loss of that system resulted in the loss of customers' information and data that was stored in that system by the organization. So The operational risk means the risk that may arise, and operational loss incident means the actual occurrence of the risk incident. Now, you have to think three more operational loss events examples and comment below in this video. I will check and discuss with you. And if you want me to elaborate more examples, you can also comment below. I will make a separate video. Please subscribe this channel and watch other videos that are related to governance, risk management and compliance. And thank you for watching.